Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now this is the continuation of the previous explanation. Now we are on page 87. We discussed page 86. Now we are in page 87. In this page, first the topic that we have, different methods of farming. Now I'm giving you one by one the different types of farming that the farmers are usually using. The first type that we have is subsistence. Subsistence is a kind of farming in which farming to produce is a kind of farming that in which farming to produce food for the farmers and family. The second kind that we have is the commercial farming. Commercial farming in which large scale farming for earning an income is a kind of farming. In large scale farming, you can say a large scale farming for earning an income. The third type that we have is the manual using in which we are using hand tools and no machines or tractors. And the fourth that we have mechanized is a kind of, as showing with the name also, using machinery and tractors. The fifth one that we have is the organic in which using no kind of chemical, pesticides, herbicides or fertilizers. And the fifth one that we have, arable is a kind of farming in which we are using for growing crops. Now we discussed different types of farming. Now we have the organic farming in Pakistan. Farmers, as we discussed earlier, that farmers are not using chemical pesticides, herbicides or fertilizers. Farmers used natural fertilizers such as manure, compost. Compost is made up of rotting plant material that contain useful foods for plant. Compost that they made for themselves, and natural method of pest control such as crop rotation. Crop rotation means changing the crops planted on a piece of land each year instead of planting the same crop every year. The Pakistan's Agriculture Research Council supports organic farming by providing training biofertilizers that have been grown in Pakistan for many centuries. Farmers believe that organic farming produces safer food, does not pollute the environment, uses water economically, and protects the land for the future. Now, we also want to discuss that pesticides and chemicals that kill are the type that kill insects and other small creatures that eat or damage plants. We used the terms pesticides and fertilizer because in previous time the farmer using the pesticides and fertilizer to increase their crop yields. Fertilizers are the kind that contain chemicals that help plants to grow larger or more quickly, but we discussed that in organic farming farmers are not using pesticides, fertilizers or biofertilizers. They are using the natural fertilizers such as manure, compost and crop rotation. The next topic that we have, arable, as we discussed earlier, that a kind of farming for growing crops. Arable farming means growing crops. These could be the crops could be cereal crops, fruit and non-food crops. The world's main food crop is wheat. Wheat is a cereal. The explanation is in continuation.